Welcome to Lesson 2 of our model on Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals. Today, we will unpack the essential vocabulary of AI. Understanding these terms is key to grasping the concepts and technologies we will explore in this course. In our journey through AI, it is crucial to start with a solid foundation. Let's begin by clarifying some fundamental terms that form the cornerstone of artificial intelligence discussions. Artificial intelligence, or AI, mimics human intelligence using machines. It embodies the pinnacle of integrating learning, reasoning, and self-correcting capabilities into computer systems, revolutionizing how we interact with technology. Machine learning is a dynamic subfield of AI where algorithms are designed to parse data, learn from it, then apply that learning to make informed decisions. Imagine a system that improves over time without direct human intervention. Deep learning. Deep learning takes these concepts further with neural networks that have many layers, which helps in dissecting complex patterns in data. This technology drives innovations like voice recognition services and autonomous driving systems. As AI technologies evolve, so does the complexity of its applications. Let's explore some advanced domains within AI. Neural networks. These are integrated networks resembling the human brain structure, designed to recognize patterns and make decisions. Neural networks are at the heart of many AI breakthroughs, from playing complex games to predicting medical outcomes. Natural language processing, or NLP. NLP bridges human and machines, allowing computers to understand and generate human language. This is how virtual assistants understand your requests and how automatic translation has become possible. Computer vision. Computer vision empowers computers to interpret and understand the visual world. From security systems that can identify threats to medical imaging software that diagnoses diseases, the applications are as diverse as they are impactful. Our final set of terms relates to how AI learns and functions through algorithms. Let's start with reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, AI systems learn optimal actions through trial and error, receiving rewards for successful outcomes. This is akin to teaching a robot to navigate a maze. Supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning involves teaching AI with known data, inputs and outputs, helping it learn to predict outcomes. Unsupervised learning, however, deals with finding hidden patterns or structures in input data. Next one, big data. The term big data refers to extraordinarily large datasets that AI systems analyze to detect trends and patterns that are beyond human capability to discern manually. In this lesson, we have covered critical terms every AI enthusiast should know. This glossary builds a framework that will support your understanding as we delve deeper into the field of AI. So thank you for joining me in this lesson. I look forward to exploring more about how these technologies are applied in real-world scenarios in our next lesson.